Hey everybody, it's Neil and I have a unique problem. So I have spray like this, but I want it to be in an aerosol. And so this here rechargeable spot sprayer is going to hopefully give me the ability to make aerosolized, air pressurized stuff inside of it. So I have here, see, rechargeable spot sprayer. So eventually what I'll be able to do is hook it up to like a bike pump and then spray it and it'll compress with stuff in there. And it comes with all the different things I need, I guess, to fill it and everything in here. So I will have to go through and figure it all out, I guess. I think it's gonna be pretty straightforward. Probably just open it up, yep, pour in some of the liquid in there, close it up, get a good seal on it, and then pressurize it through the bike pump here, and then I'll be able to just spray it through that. So that's pretty cool. So I'm gonna go ahead and give it a try. Okay, so the first thing I'm gonna do is just put some liquid in here. I'm just gonna use water right now, just because it's a test. Okay, I've got a little bit of water in there, and then I will seal it back up. Okay, so there, now I have water in there. I'll take off the little cap. I will connect it up to I just have a little battery powered air pump here. Let's see, how do I turn this on? There, and it says it's gonna go to 90 PSI. I'll just turn it down to, it says it can go up to 90, but I'm just gonna go to 50 for this particular purpose. And then I'll go, I think I hit that. Oh, no, 50. Okay, there it is. So there, now it's going. Okay, that was quick. So now this is at 50 PSI, and if I spray it, ooh, look at that. It sprays out the water. That's so cool. That goes fast. And it comes with a few different tips. I don't know if the tips are different ones here. Yeah, you have jet spray nozzle, tight spray nozzle, and fine spray nozzle. I guess I'm gonna probably use a fine spray nozzle for the particular purpose that I want, which is this color here. So let's switch that one out. And so now this is going to be a fine spray. That puts out a mist. Oh, that feels good. Actually, this would be great, like sitting outside, just getting suntan and stuff, be able to cool yourself down. But that's cool. So that's kind of how this thing works. It's just makes anything into an aerosol. So if you want to have some cleaner, this thing here, some chandelier cleaner or something like that, and you don't like to do the pump, or somebody's got some tough hands with the pump, you can just do this. You don't have to aim it that way. You can aim it anyway. And then you can just make anything into an aerosol. Very cool. Super awesome. Thumbs up for sure.